Hello, nakabalik na ulit kami galing San Diego. So today pupunta naman kami sa downtown kasi manonood kami ng car show. So yun, magre-ready lang kami. So nandito kami ngayon sa Fisherman's Wharf kasi banda rito yung car show. Doon. Nantayan namin si Daddy. Nagpa-park siya. Yung dalawang bata na doon. So, ayan. Medyo maraming na rin tao. Say hi, Royce.
Hi.
Sige, mag-vlog.
Me? Just covering the camera. Hello. My sissy. She's filming too. For no reason.
Oh, I look fat.
What? I'm always careful.
Okay, let's go.
I forgot to bring money. I wanted to buy my boo-boo.
Ano si Daddy? Okay, start na kami.
You bring me money.
Let's go.
Pumila kami lahat doon. Ay, dapat nag-start pala ako dito.
So ayan, may mga nagtitinda-tinda dito sa may ano to, sa may Fisherman's Wharf. Nakuha niya yung attention ni Royce kasi gusto ni Royce yung mga magic trick.
But it looks just like these three once I tap it from the cup. I know you didn't see it going there, but there they are. Now, for some of you that weren't watching that closely, I'll do it again. This time I'll use a bigger ball. This will be easier for you guys in the back to see. Watch as it goes right through. See it go through. Now, I do have a couple more tricks to show you before you guys disappear on me. Now, this next trick is with a couple of rabbits that I'll play and see how that goes. Normally, they come out of the magician's hat, but as you can see today, that is where my tips go. And which reminds me, if you've
nagugustuhan din ni Daddy yung magic trick. Interesado rin siya eh.
Show you why these
Lakas ng hangin.
and just kind of let this one a little magic dust on the hole disappears. The other side, that would be too easy. As a matter of fact, not only does the hole disappear, so does the handkerchief. That's why they call it magic. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of your day out there. Thank you.
May dollar ka dyan.
Wala pa pala, hindi pa nag-i-start yung car show, baka bukas pa.
Ayun pala.
Oh. Let me show you. Oh, the inflatable car show. Just kidding.
That's magic.
Right there. Ayun, hindi pala kami na-inform na inflatable car show pala. Kasi first day pa lang, baka bukas pa yung mga sasakyan. Pero marami ng tao. And there's smell good. Pasta. So ayan, bukas pa pala magsisimula yung car show. Kala namin ngayon. Kasi pumunta sila dyan sa store. I'm gonna wait here outside. So, ayan, wala pang mga sasakyan. Hanggang August 16 naman yung car show, so maglalakad-lakad na lang muna pala kami dito since wala pa naman pala. Muna ka. Yan, pwede rin mag-rides ng bike. Ayan, kaso ayaw nila. Ayan, opo. Saan sila, Daddy? Bibili sila? Nandun pa pala sa loob sila, Daddy. Okay. wala pa. Usually, ayang part na yan, dyan, puno na yan ng mga sasakyan. Yung sasakyan na pang show. Pero ngayon, wala pa siya. So, ayun, nire-ready na nila. Ayan. Ayan, naglalakad-lakad na lang muna kami. Ang lamig, pero kunwari na lang di ako nilalamig. Di ako nagsuot ng ano. Ayan, I guess babalik na lang kami ulit bukas.
Bukas.
Wala pala today. Bukas totoo na, totoo. Meron na bukas.
Bukas.
Excited lang sila.
Bukas.
Lakad lang ng lakad. Now we're just gonna walk around. And then we're gonna go home. So, nandito kami ngayon sa may Fisherman's Wharf kasi isi-check namin yung bagong ramen house daw.
You have iced Oreo, right? You want that?
pwedeng walang matcha. Order sila ng matcha. Si Matcha Girl. So yung ramen house hindi nila trip. Kaya hanap na lang ulit ng iba. Kaya nandito kami sa Island Burger. Libre kami ni Ren.
Yay! You got it!
Libre ko pala. Libre daw kami ni Ren.
So, kung nga cheese.
Yung car show namin na uwi sa ano, kain na lang.
Heads or tails? If you pick heads, subscribe. 1, 2. Cup holder. Cup holder, it's a coaster. I mean, coaster, sorry, coaster. Let's grab this thing. Oh my god.
Order kami ng ano to? Nachos. Tapos yung mga small size ng tequila. Kaya sila nag-order sila ng burger and fries.
We're just waiting on those sweet potato fries. They should be right out. But is there anything else I can get for you guys?
No, we're good.
Wonderful. They should be right out.
Thank you.
Guys. This is cheese ball.
Ayan, ayan. Ito ang tapang. Sige lang. Lagay mo muna dyan para hindi matapon. Kakain mo na kami. Alam mo, masarap talaga kumain pagka libre. Libre ni Ren. Ayan, in-order na rin dami oh.
Daddy's already almost done.
Siguro babayaran nyo dyan mga ano, mga nasa 8. Thank you rin thank you. Yes.
What?
30 daw.
How crazy.
Kaya dapat walang tira kasi ano.
That's crazy. Ay.
Ano na lang, tugo yung tira. Tapos na kami kumain, so magpapatagtag muna kami dito sa shopping center. Maglalakad-lakad kami. Ayun, nabusog naman kami kasi masarap talagang kumain pag libre. So, ayan, dito lang yan sa may shopping center. Tapos, hatid namin si Brendan sa work niya. Saan tayo ba?
Oh,
Dito?
I'm keeping this.
Oo, mainit. Oh, excuse me.
Hello. Baby water.
Punta kami daw ng
Four.
yep. Init. Target. Andito kami ngayon sa Target. May bibilhin lang ako.
You can't do it. Here, I got you. Hold on, I got it. Hit that thing. My mom's getting clothes for me. Even though I don't need clothes. What am I doing? Oh! Scared me. While she's filming. I don't think she knows. I think you could put like a drink in there, so that's why I got it. Of course I need it. Turn her phone on. Oh! Come from? Alright, pause right now.
Hinahanapan ko lang si Royce ng jogging pants. Pampasok niya. Kasi yung iba niyang ginagamit na pampasok, laging may butas sa may tuhod. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya exhibition sa school. So ayan, kukuhanan ko lang siya ng mga ilan-ilan.
I'm tired, guys. My turn.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it here.
Hi, guys.
Ayan, sa bahay na ulit kami. Si Royce nanonood na. Pahinga na ulit at nakakapagod. Maglakad-lakad.